Okay, ready to go. Sheldon, what are we looking at?
Well, this is actually what I call Edge AI in a box. Technically, this is an Edge demo. However, this kind of really shows that we can actually support Edge on any infrastructure and any architecture, because these, for example, are NVIDIA Jetsons, an NVIDIA Jetson Nano Super, and an Orin AGX or AGX Orin. So this is like the little kid and the big brother. So if you have to do any on-site local inferencing, you can do that with one of these devices. These are all ARM-based, and these are Latte Pandas and are x86. So for us, we don't really care whether you have an immutable operating system that is running on x86 or on ARM64. All of these devices can be registered to the platform itself, and then you can deploy your profile on that as well. So you have your day 0, 1, and 2, full lifecycle management of your application, all the way down to your edge devices. So normally it would be in the cloud or a data center or something like maybe vSphere or something like that. However, for us, we can bring that all the way to your branch office or maybe into the field or in defense or wherever that might be. So you'll have a standardized way of deploying your application services across cloud, data center, and edge, all from one platform.
Fantastic. I like that you run workloads like this. What are we looking at?
So this is actually a very simple face detection model and emotion detection model, basically running on a small device currently. So just to show off that any Kubernetes application can then be spun up on the devices and then managed remotely. So whether you're deploying models locally or deploying them to the cloud, it doesn't really matter. We're agnostic to those infrastructures.
Awesome. Thanks, Sheldon. Take care.